Why is your EverBank mobile app freezing, crashing, or refusing to log you in? If you rely on your phone for banking, and who doesn't these days, a glitchy app can be a major headache, especially when you need to make a deposit or check a balance fast. It's frustrating when technology gets in the way of your money, and often, the fix is much simpler than you think. EverBank, like any digital platform, can run into issues, from login trouble to technical bugs. But don't worry, we're going to walk through the most common problems and the quick steps you can take to fix them right now. This is your essential guide to getting your EverBank app running smoothly again. Let's dive into the solutions. First, the universal fixes. Before trying anything complex, start with these 4 basic steps. They solve about 80% of all app problems. Restart your phone. It sounds simple, but a full device reboot clears up memory issues and resets network connections that might be interfering with the app. Give your phone a quick restart. Check for updates. Make sure your EverBank app is the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Developers constantly release updates for bug fixes and security. Also, ensure your phone's operating system, iOS or Android, is fully up to date. An outdated OS is a common cause of app instability. Check your connection. Are you on Wi-Fi? Try switching to mobile data. Are you on mobile data? Try switching to Wi-Fi. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent the app from communicating with the bank servers, leading to login errors or slow performance. Clear app cache. If the app is acting sluggish or storing old, bad data, clearing the cache can help. Go to your phone settings, find the EverBank app, and clear the cache. Note: do not clear data unless you are prepared to log in from scratch and reset up your biometrics. Next, solving login and security issues. A common frustration is the app constantly forgetting your credentials or demanding a new 2-factor authentication code. Biometric login failures. If you use Face ID or fingerprint and it keeps asking for your password, the system is likely glitching. Try disabling biometrics in the app settings, logging out, logging back in with your password, and then re-enabling biometrics. This often forces a fresh setup. Username and password. Double-check your user ID and password. Remember, EverBank has sometimes required user IDs to be in all lowercase characters, so check for that detail. If you're using a password manager, ensure it's not adding extra spaces. 2-factor authentication, MFA. If you're not receiving your one-time passcode via text or call, first confirm that the phone number on file with EverBank is correct. You can usually check this by logging into the full website on a computer. If the number is correct, the delay might be on the carrier's side, so try the voice call option instead of a text message. Finally, when to call for backup. If you've tried all the basic troubleshooting and the app is still unusable, it's time to reach out to EverBank's support team. They can check if there are any known system-wide outages or specific issues with your account. For personal banking, you can call the Client Solutions team at 1-888-882-3837. Have your name, date of birth, and an account number ready to speed up the process. Most mobile banking problems are minor tech hiccups that these simple steps can fix. Keep your app updated, keep your phone updated, and your mobile banking experience should be seamless. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.